This is a concept, in fact, which consider the concept earlier given concept of Alfred Wegener and Harry Hess, a combined concept which includes, I can say, the basic philosophy of continental drift, seafloor spreading, and there is an Arthur Holmes convection current theory. So please note down here. A comprehensive theory which includes the basic concepts of continental drift given by continental drift, sea floor spreading, and convection current theory. Convection current theory was given by Arthur Holmes. Remember, this one, sea floor spreading, was given in 1961. Continental drift theory 1912. Arthur convection current theory in 1934-36, around 1936. Now, this theory was the second theory. Sea floor spreading is the latest one, 1961. All this theory, a combined version of all these, concept here, okay, is in the theory of plate tectonics. Now, what exactly is this theory talking about? What exactly this theory, in fact, explain? My friend, to be very frank, this is a revised version of the same thing. It's just like old wine in new bottle, nothing else. The same basic concepts are there. Continental drift and sea floor spreading, whatever concept, and with the convection current theory of Arthur Holmes, whatever they have given, the same thing in a very systematic manner it was explained. It was in a very systematic manner it was given. So, what is there? Like, let us see in the theory of plate tectonics what is there. Let us see here. According to this theory, like, the entire earth surface, this theory is given by, as you know, Mr. Morgan Wilson, Parker, Mackenzie, Wilson, Tujo Wilson, La Pichan, L. Siver. You don't have to remember all these names, but ये तीनों तो नाम याद करना पड़ेगा. Morgan, Parker, and the Mackenzie. These three people, they gave the concept of, in 1967, 66, 67. In fact, they gave the concept of plate tectonics. They gathered all the information, whatever available information earlier there, and they gave this concept of plate in 1966, 67. Morgan, Parker, and Mackenzie, these three people combinedly. By the way, Tujo Wilson, La Pikhan and El Cyber, they also contributed. Tujo Wilson, he gave the Wilson cycle concept. Tujo Wilson defined what is a plate, okay, and all. ये तीनों जो हैं, तीनों प्राइमरी वर्क किया है, तीनों लोगों, मॉर्गन, पार्कर एंड मैकेंजी, ओके, ये नाम याद रखिए. मगर एक और नाम you can memorize here, like Tujo Wilson. He gave the Wilson cycle, Wilson cycle on tectonic, and Tujo Wilson defined what is a plate. Okay, according to Tujo Wilson, which was subsequently given as a point of plate tectonics, Wilson, plates are fragmented parts of the Earth's lithosphere located above the asthenosphere. Located above the asthenosphere. According to Tujo Wilson, plates are fragmented part of the Earth's lithosphere located above the asthenosphere, which has the ability to move in different directions based on the convection currents from the mantle, which has the ability to move in different direction based on the convection current from mantle. Again, I am saying what exactly it is saying, that plates are according to Tujo Wilson. What are these plates? According to Tujo Wilson, plates are the fragmented part of the Earth's lithosphere located above the asthenosphere, which has the ability to move in different direction based on the convection current from the mantle. So, if I will say this particular thing here, if this is the Earth's surface, if this one is the asthenosphere, at the middle part you have here is the core of the Earth. Okay, this is the core of the Earth. Now, what will happen? As per this, like Okay. This type is the earth surface, and here you have the asthenosphere. If this is the asthenosphere here, this is the asthenosphere. If this is the asthenosphere, above this entire part is known as lithosphere. इसको बोलते हैं क्या? Lithosphere. So according to this theory, this lithosphere is fragmented into segmented into different parts. These are segmented and fragmented here into different parts. Because of the convection furnace from below, they are fragmented and segmented into different parts. Now let us say this is a ocean here. Here you have the water bodies. Is a water bodies here. This is the water body. Here you have the water bodies. This is the ocean floor, part of the ocean floor here. Now what happened? As per this system, like here, this is convection current cell. What is this? Convection current cell. Now this convection current cell is there. Here it is splitting. It is strike over this region, and this particular regions you have splitting up of this part. Here you are splitting up of this part. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है बताओ? Here what is happening? This side you have. That's why convergence is there. Here you will have folding. Because of this you have folding here. Here also you have folding. Why? Or reverse folding maybe. Which force is there? Compressional force is here. Which force? Compression. Here it is compression. And this side you have the tensional force. Here you have tensional force. तो यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ it is giving tensional force and here is compressional force. There is a possibility even it can have like compression or it can goes like this, like यहाँ पे टूट भी सकता है ये. It can break. So we have a plate here. These are the plate. This segmented part is a plate. All the fragmented and segmented part are called as plates. These plates are moving on the basis of what type of convection current is there. You see here, faulting and folding both are associated with this type of characteristics here. Divergence you will have. Divergence leads to faulting here. Divergence leads to faulting के बाद क्या होगा? ये टूट जाएंगे. One plate will develop here. New plate will develop here. This is a plate. Total earth is divided into several plates. Our earth is divided into, earth surface is divided into several plates. Now as I just mentioned about this type of plates you will have. If I'll go for an image here, image of plates. हम देखते हैं एक प्लेट का ऊपर. You can see the total earth is divided into several plates. You can see here. Total earth is divided into several plates. You can see. These plates are going in different direction. They are going away from each other. They are coming towards each other. This is based on what? ये जो है ना, ये कहाँ पे कैसे प्लेट देखो आप. How the plates are moving from one another. ये they are coming towards each other. Here they are divergence is there. Somewhere convergence, somewhere divergence you are having. On this we have somewhere divergence and somewhere convergence also. As we know, inside the earth interior, in the earth interior we have different molten material, and these molten materials are essentially responsible for this type of as all of us were well aware about this. Inside the earth interior, we have the molten material, and here you have like convection current in the water. जब आप पानी को गर्म करते हो, whenever you are boiling the water, the bubbles from below goes up again, come like this. Have you seen this? Same way from the earth interior, here it will start, okay, goes up, then it will go like this. So in this way, here if it is there, I have given an example, anywhere it can be. Now they will form a complete cycle here, complete cycle of this one, complete cycle of this. So you have the convection current cell will be there, and these convection current cell in the mantle are responsible for, convection current cell in the mantle are responsible for the divergence or convergence and the plate movement. And this is here is the most important, most fundamental thing about this particular concept. Now ये जो plates का बात किया मैंने, I have just said about the plates. In the plates you can see here, the plates are, all these plates, they are moving in different direction, they are responsible for many things. ये नाच का प्लेट है, ये देखो ये सब प्लेट. You can see about Eurasian plate this side. Here is the Indian plate, how it is converging. ये Eurasian plate है, Indian plate, they are converging. African plate के साथ diverge कर रहा है, देख रहे हो यहाँ पे. So volcanic eruption will be there. Different plates are moving in different direction based on the convection currents inside the earth interior. So mantle में जो convection current है, that is more important factor. What is more important is the convection current which is present inside the earth interior in the mantle, that plays a very significant role on this, right? It plays a very important role.